Welcome, today I am with Microsoft Surface Go 2 and I'll show you how you can change display orientation. At the first you have to open the settings, go for System. When you are in the display options you have to scroll down, and in displays I'm gonna resize this window a little bit. Okay, in displays I will find the display orientation, so we can go for the portrait, for example. As you can see, our screen change orientation from the landscape to the portrait. I'm gonna revert the changes because I would like to stay with the landscape mode. But that's how we can change it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.